Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll share how to set app time limits on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app on your phone, and then in the search bar, type in parental controls. Right there. Then under parental controls, click on digital wellbeing and parental controls. Then you'll be brought to this digital wellbeing page, and then from here you'll be able to see your most used apps on your phone and the categories up the top here. But if you want to add app timers, you click here on any one of these. So for my example, I'm going to click on Risk, so I can set a timer for Risk, and there's all these other apps you can do too on your phone. So categorized by games, health, fitness, image, maps and travel. So for example, I'm going to add in, I'll go to games, Clash of Clans, add that. And then to set a timer for these selected apps, just simply click on set timer. And if I want to play it for no longer than an hour and a half a day, click on an hour and a half, set it to an hour and a half, like so. And then it'll say here, set timer for Risk, Clash of Clans. You can even choose which days you want to set the timer on. So I'm just going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday is unlimited. Once that is done, click on done. And there you go, app timers for Clash of Clans Risk 2. If I click onto it, set timer, and then click on done. As you can see, there's no limit because it is currently Sunday. So tomorrow, the limit will begin at 1 hour and 30 minutes a day. Alright, thanks guys for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. Really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.